Quickly boost your sales on Amazon with the Amazon badges. Amazon badges can quickly boost your sales on Amazon. Remember, the most important tip is that Amazon always prioritizes the Amazon customer versus the Amazon seller. And that's why the easiest way to get an Amazon badge is to simply sell a good product. But there are other tips, and we're going to be talking about them in this video. Congratulations to the winner! If you want to win a consultation call with me where we discuss everything related to Amazon, then all you need to do is support the channel, subscribe, make sure that you like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Now, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We're a certified Amazon service provider focused on the Middle East market. If you need support with your Amazon business, all you need to do is just reach out to our team and book a consultation call on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You're also going to find a lot of downloadable PDFs, free trainings, all linked in the description box of this video. Now, Amazon introduced the first ever badge back in 2005, and the first one was the Amazon Choice Badge. The concept of the Amazon Choice Badge is that it indicates that the product is highly rated, well priced, and also is available for quick shipping. Now, after that, they started introducing more and more badges because badges are visual cues to the Amazon customer, and they really aggressively boost your sales, even though there's not really a lot of statistics how much percentage you get faster sales if you do have a badge. But logically speaking, of course, they boost sales dramatically because they indicate to the customer that this is a popular product and a good choice for them to purchase. How do you get those badges? We're going to be discussing all the tips and details from the hardest badge to the easiest badge to get. But also do remember that most of these badges are for a certain allocated period of time and they're not forever. So it takes a lot of work and fighting to get the badge, but it also takes a lot of work to keep the badge. So keep that in mind. Badges not only show up on the SERP, the search engine results page, but they also show up on your product detail page, which massively supports you as a seller. Starting off with the bestseller badge, which is one of the most effective but also the hardest badge to get. The reason is these badges are very rare because you can only have one badge per category, since they indicate that the product is the best seller of that category. Even though they are based on sales, but also do remember that they are based on the BSR, which is the bestseller rank, which is updated on an hourly basis on Amazon. And that's why they're very hard to get and they're very hard to keep. But I'm going to give you a few tips because it's not just about having the lowest priced product on Amazon. There are other things to consider. Here are the tips. Tip number one, definitely you have to have a good competitive price. Number two, you need to have a good ad strategy so that your product shows up everywhere on Amazon and customers can discover it. And number three, you need to have an optimized listing so that people can convert once they find your product on Amazon. Badge number two is the Amazon Choice Badge, the original badge that started it all. Definitely one of also the most effective badges because customers purchase from Amazon, trust Amazon. So indicating that the product is an Amazon Choice Badge is absolutely great. And it's slightly easier than the bestseller badge because it's completely based on keywords. So you can find multiple Amazon Choice Badges for the same category, which makes it a little bit easier for you to get. But Amazon Choice Badge is given to sellers that not necessarily have the fastest selling product, but have the best product that is sold on the website. Not the best selling, the best product that is selling on the website. And they're very much SEO based. Here are the tips. First of all, you need to make sure that you are focused on the right keywords for your product. Number two, you also need to make sure that the product is selling well, meaning you have a good conversion rate. And that's why number three, you also need to have a really well optimized listing. And number four, you need to have Amazon FBA. So you need to have products fulfilled by Amazon so that the product can be delivered fast. Remember, the criteria would be that Amazon that your listing is highly ranked, meaning you have really good reviews. Number 2, it's converting well, so customers are opting to purchase. And number 3, the product can be delivered quickly. That's why it has to be through Amazon FBA. Now, speaking about Amazon FBA, let's talk about the third badge, which is quite easier than the other two, and it's the Prime badge. There are so many statistics that indicate that almost 60% of customers everywhere on Amazon are Prime members. So to become a Prime member, customers pay a monthly fee. And because of that monthly fee, then they can purchase products as many times as they want from the Amazon platform, and they will get those products delivered the next day without any shipping charges. So 0 shipping fees. Who doesn't like to pay 0 money when it comes to shipping fees? That's why if you are an Amazon Prime member, you're constantly looking for the Prime badge on a product to indicate that it's going to be delivered fast and you're not going to pay any shipping. How do you as a seller get the Prime badge? Well, you need to be selling through Amazon FBA. By simply sending your units over to the Amazon FBA warehouse, then your products will be enrolled in the Prime and you will get that badge. You also have other options if you are fulfilling the products yourself, such as Amazon Flex, which indicates that you are fulfilling the products yourself, but you are also Prime eligible. It takes a little bit more work from that end. However, the easiest way to get the Prime badge is to sell through Amazon FBA. And finally, badge number 4, limited time deal. This is the easiest badge for you to get because it's completely under your control. This is really a good badge because it just makes the product stand out from other sellers, and it indicates to the customer that this is a deal and it's for a limited time, so it's not going to be forever, so that the customer needs to hurry up and purchase the product. Now, to do a limited time offer, you just simply go to your deals page inside of Amazon Seller Central and find out if any of your products are eligible, and then do an apply for that deal. Sometimes the deal might be for just 24 hours, sometimes it might be for 7 days, depending on what Amazon indicates your product is approved for. Definitely, these limited time deals do give you a boost in sales, but you also need to make sure, like all other badges, that the listing is very well optimized, because even if you have a really good deal on the product, if the product page isn't convincing to customers, they're simply not going to purchase the product. You also need to make sure that you're advertising so that the listing shows up to as many customers as possible, and that the deal is actually really good, because customers will be enticed if the offer is good. Now, there are a lot of other badges that you can find on Amazon, but some of them are just for primary markets like Amazon US or maybe Amazon UK. So I just focused on these 4 main badges, which you can find universally across Amazon, and you'll be able to add them no matter where you are selling. Let me know which one is your favorite badge as an Amazon customer. Do they actually affect your purchasing decision? I know that they affect my purchasing decision for sure. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.